Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Chrome automatically closes. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your smartphone settings and go into the app management and click on app list. Here you need to search for the Chrome. Okay, click on that. And then you simply need to click on storage and cache, and the first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Once you done that, you simply need to allow all permissions from here. Then you need to go back and open Play Store and search for Chrome, and you need to update your Chrome application. As you can see, my Chrome is up to date. Then you simply need to open Chrome and you can search anything here, and you can see that now Chrome is working fine. So I'm going to search for a website to show you. Here you can see that. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.